All right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. It's going to be a whiteboard video today because I've been doing some fire alarm stuff and I don't really have any footage. And I left at the end of the day to get any blueprints. So I'm going to draw you a picture today and hopefully you guys will enjoy that. And I'll try to get something better tomorrow for you guys. But if you remember from a few videos back, we were pulling some wire down the hallway in the emergency department. So we kind of have the containment here and another containment over here. And we took some fire alarm through the containment down the hallway and then into, it basically ended in the hallway, which was right outside an electrical room over here. So now we are, today we worked on the other part. So basically, in here in the containment, there was, I think, 2 or 3, maybe 3. Anyways, there was 4 fire alarm runs going with this red path. There was one here at the corner where it started, one here at the end, one here at the corner, and I think the third one was like right there or something. So anyways, they're all pretty close together, but these next ones are kind of far. Actually, shorter than I thought, which is really nice. So I'm going to try to swing this over here a second so I don't have to really move my picture. So down the hallway is where we're now going, basically following that path back later, but now we are going down the hallway through a live emergency department, so I had to use the containment cart all day. So there was this containment, and I don't know if there was another containment, but basically we're going from one containment down to the next. This is a really long hallway right here, and then there's like a set of doors right here. So like people are just like bringing in like people in like, I don't know what it's called, gurneys or whatever those things are where people lay down in the back of ambulances. They were bringing in stretchers, just like hauling people in stretchers like down this hallway just like all day, like 4 people in line at all times. So anyways, we're trying to like work around these people, but anyways, we were doing this in the containment right here, setting up bridle rings on the side of the same situation that we had last week, setting up bridle rings on the side of a cable tray, basically like every 4 feet, just going down this whole hallway right here. So it basically started here at the corner today, and we got like all the way down here, like right on the edge of this door. The only problem is this is like a firewall right here, so we had to like drill a hole through here, which slowed us down. And we're gonna finish up mounting that little piece of pipe tomorrow, but we got it fire caulked and stuff like that, so closed the hole up and stuff like that. So anyways, we went ahead and did that, and then tomorrow we're gonna work on going from here to the containment. So all this is drop ceiling, like everything is drop ceiling. And obviously in the containments right here, there's like no ceilings, so that's nice. So down the hallway is a drop ceiling, and then as soon as we get outside the doors, it's a hard lid. So, but there is like 2 access holes, but then there's like a giant gap down to this wall right here. So anyways, we're gonna use like 3 or 4 fish sticks tied together, twisted together, and then we're gonna drill a hole over here, and I'm assuming what I'm thinking is push the fish stick this way and then just tie the wire on this way and then pull it backwards through the hole, because otherwise if we try to tie the wire onto the fish stick and then just like 12-foot push it through a little tiny hole across the building is not going to work very well. So my suggestion, I think, is going to work better is push the 12-foot fish stick through the hole that we drill, and then add the wire on top of that. I thought I was gonna erase something, but I think I covered everything. So yeah, I think the only thing that I was gonna mention is through the emergency department, like obviously if you haven't used a containment cart before, you have the ceiling grid or whatever, or the ceiling tiles. Some of them are 2x2, some of them are 2x4s, like that. Your containment cart is a 2x4, so basically you just take your containment cart and line it up with one of these ceiling grids, put it to the ceiling, and then that way no dust or anything falls through the ceiling, makes any mess, spreads any dust where patients are with like surgeries and stuff like that, which is a no-go. So yeah, you just put your containment cart, lined it up with these squares, and so yeah, which is nice that I believe we're going to be able to get through the doors through the hard lid down here and into the containment, which is right here, and this is the hard lid. So we're just gonna drill our holes there, and then just pull the wire right through there. Call it a day instead of going, if that wouldn't have worked, we would have had to go down this hallway and then down another hallway and then like back into this hallway or something, or like cut a corner this way. So anyways, I'm happy that this is going to work. I know it's going to work because I'm going to make it work, but I don't see any reason why it would not work. So anyways, I'm excited about that. So that's what I've been working on the last few days. Snow days on Thursday and Friday of last week. Just stuck inside my house for 4 days, so that was fun. Not really. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll try to get some footage tomorrow, maybe down the hallways or something like that, but it is like a live emergency department, so I don't know if I should be able to like record people or whatever, so people walking by and stuff. So anyways, maybe I'll just try to get some footage of the ceiling or stuff like that, give you guys a little tour or whatever of the containments and stuff like that. Anyways, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Thanks for the support. That's all I got. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. If not, tell me in the comments that you hate it. All right, guys. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.